Hello, how are you? My name is Juan David de la Ocampo. My instructor Álvaro Antonio Herrera Borja of the course English Word Level 2. Today video presentation of the family. In this photo are from left to right. My mother Caterine, my cousin Sarai, my aunt Joanna, my cousin Samai, and me. Right now, they are celebrating my high school graduation. My mother, Catherine, is short and has brown eyes, and she has long hair. She is 39 years old. My cousin is 18 years old. She likes cats. My aunt wears orange clothes and has long hair. She is 43 years old. My cousin Samai, she is 10 years old. She likes art. I like that they are simple and humble people. I like that my aunt and my cousin, my mother love me and they are always been there for me. Thank you.